It's Mike Meck, the Bungalow Chef, and we're here today making taco potato salad. We're going to start with 2½ cups of mayonnaise, and we're going to add to that seasoning. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to add chili powder, a 1/2 tablespoon. We're going to be adding salt, 1/2 teaspoon. And 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we're going to be mixing this through. Well, we've mixed our mayonnaise really well with all the seasoning, and now we're going to dress our potatoes with it. Okay. Okay, we're adding our 1/2 cup of onion. Our green pepper, 1/2 cup. We're also adding our cheese, our taco cheese, 1 cup of grated assorted taco cheese. We're going to mix that through. Great color on this. And to finish, we're adding our taco chips, 1 cup of crushed taco chips. Nice texture, color, and a nice Latin flavor to this. And this is Mike Meck, the Bungalow Chef, with taco potato salad.